Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Strong Foundations Auto Detailing. And we're taking a little break from the car detailing portion to kind of celebrate my birthday / Father's Day gift, which I'm super pumped about. It's gonna really take my videoing to the next level. It'll also be cool to have this around for whenever we're doing dance competitions with Samantha, dance recitals. Sarah, I'll be able to get some of her when she's playing her guitar. And Mary will be able to use this also for whenever she's going to her chemo treatments or whatever. I may even use it to follow my dog around. I don't know. I haven't quite decided everything I'm going to use it for yet, but I am going to use it for a lot, and it's going to be really fun. So today I figured I would take some time and me and Samantha would do an unboxing to kind of show you guys what all comes in this. It is the DJI Pocket 2. It is the creator combo. But I'm super pumped, so why don't we go ahead and get started. I'm a little disappointed because Mary cut the plastic off of the box. I wanted to cut the cellophane off of the box. That's part of the unboxing. I caught her like right in the middle and I'm like, ah! Part of unboxing is cutting the cellophane. I've not seen anything inside this box. So this is it. So whatever we see here, seen it with you for the first time. And Samantha, because she's not seen it yet either. So. All right, so you ready? All right, pretty cool. We got, let's see what this is. Whoa, whatever it is. Oh, you know what? This must be for the microphone. It's a wind deadener, but yeah, it goes on the end of the microphone. Fuzzy rabbit tail of some sort. Let's see what else is in here. Wrist guard, extremely important.
You don't want to. USB
plug.
What is this thing?
I don't know. Go ahead and open it and see what it is. This has, looks like they're exactly the same. So, all right.
Looks like attached.
Ooh, yes. This is going to be super important because this is the plug for which we will be plugging into the side of it so you can plug your phone into it. That way, whenever you're using the gimbal, you will be able, DJI Pocket 2, you will be able to control it with your phone, which will show you all that here in a few minutes.
Good thing is that they give you two.
So there's one, and then one is, I think, Android, and one is for iPhone. So just so you guys know. And then this here is super cool. I'm gonna go ahead and just open up all the accessories and then I'll show you how they all work here in a little bit. So this is the toggle button. And this is the wide angle lens that will click on the end of that. So those are the accessories. This is the gimbal. This is all the instructions, paperwork. You don't need no stinking instructions, man. All right, cool. Here's the bones. The bones. All right, so this is better than opening up a new iPhone. Like, way better than opening up my iPhone.
100% agree.
So this is the new case that they have. This is an actual carrying case for
when you travel,
the gimbal.
this is a good thing to use.
Yes, traveling. vacations. Ooh, man, that is nice and snug in there. So it's got some padding. If you look in the padding, little carrying case. So that is kind of nifty. And then here's the gimbal. All right, so what I was showing you earlier is this is what's on the front, and this is where your toggle will go if you choose to do so. So basically you put that in there, and then that is like a little trackpad where you can use that to control your gimbal. This is power, two different types of power on buttons, which I kind of learned. But so it just kind of slides on the front, and it's very snug. Oosh. All right, so there's that. But if you have an iPhone, you will take and put the connector they give you. I don't know everything about this, but I do know that there is a lot that can be done. I do know that this right here is the little tiny tripod that comes with it. It is a miniature tripod.
Tripod.
Yes. So.
Oh my goodness, I love that. Oh wow. Wait, that's so cool.
So there's the little tripod.
Looks like a helicopter.
Yeah. You're gonna need this, and that'll bring me to this. This is called, all right, no, it's called the, oh boy. And why is it in Japanese? It's all in Japanese.
Why is it in Japanese?
Read that. Oh my gosh. You know what the instructions say? You know what the instructions say? The instructions say, download the DJI Mimo app and watch the video. Anyways, this piece that comes with it that's new to this one, it's nothing like, see, this would have been just like the DJI Pocket, was just like this, nice and small. But the DJI Pocket 2, man, that's a tongue twister. DJI. The DJI comes with this extender piece, and that is what you can use for all kinds of different things. Charging, you can put your plug in, you can actually plug in jacks, and this is also where you will use your tripod around. It's like a little tripod. So this piece would come off.
Oh,
yes.
scared me.
Listen, I'm learning with you people. So there's that.
It looks like a tall person with no arms.
Tall person with no arms.
That's what I call this.
So this is an extra adapter piece that goes on the bottom. Osmo. All right, so here is the other exciting part. So this is why I got this one, was a wireless mic. So this is for outdoors, of course. You put it on your shirt or lapel. Put it on your lapel. And so this was a very good microphone.
100% recommend.
Samantha recommends the microphone. So there's the microphone. And here is the gimbal. So that is the unboxing portion of this video, but still to come is I will do some studying and learning, and I will be doing some videos with the gimbal, and I'll be putting them in this video. So at this point in time, this is where we will go ahead and watch some of the stuff I created on the gimbal, so you guys can see the different picture quality from what I'm using now, the EOS 90D Canon, compared to the gimbal And then of course some of my side shots is just an Apple iPhone XR. Yeah, that's cool. So anyways, all right, let's cut to the DJI Pocket 2 creator combo video footage. I did a little clip of the garage, a short clip of how dark my garage used to be, and I had put in some lights just to kind of get the lighting and stuff fixed in there. So I did some videos of the lighting in the garage, the new lighting, how much better it looks in there. So you'll kind of see also the difference in the camera, the video experience. So, but anyways, right now we've got the toggle hooked up, and as you can see, we're doing some double camera shots. So you can see both sides. Got the little toggle switch on here now, and the gimbal's facing right at the phone. And so now we're going to take it off, and we're going to plug a phone into it so you guys can kind of see what it looks like with a phone hooked up. It just goes and slides in the front. You have to go slide it. Just slides in and snaps. And then once that's sticking out the side, then you basically take the phone and plug the phone in the side. And that is how you'll be able to shoot some video. So as you can see, it just plugs into the side and works as a gimbal, so you can walk around, and then you can put the tripod on the bottom. You can set it down on the tripod, and then you can do some shots with it, some standstill shots, some time-lapse stuff on it. I figured I would kind of do something a little bit different and just kind of just do an unboxing and give you a little bit of video testing to see what it actually looks like footage-wise. So anyways, when you first get it plugged in and you start to go through it, just so you know, it's gonna prompt you to, when you plug in your phone, it's gonna tell you that you have to download the app on the phone, and then you have to plug it in and set it up before you can do all of this. Otherwise, it is just a little small camera on the front, which, as you can tell, it is a small screen, very small screen. And it's got, like I said earlier, the attachment for the toggle switch. You can do that. But anyways, I have noticed, just to kind of let you know, after charging it, letting the charge build up, it gets warm. So as far as how long it goes and does video until it gets overheated or hot, or how long the battery lasts, all that kind of stuff, you know, I won't really know until later on, and I could always do something on it in the future just to kind of give that. But anyways, this was just an introduction as to me getting this awesome present. And also, by the way, I was using Adobe Premiere Rush, and I got really good at using it. It's got a lot of limitations. It's great when you're first starting out editing videos and doing those sorts of things. You gotta look at that one every once in a while. What up? What I decided to do was go ahead and download Premiere Pro. And so now I'm learning how to do that. I've seen there's a lot more things that you can do with that. So hopefully my editing will be better. Got the camera. We've got a digital camera. We've got the XR phone. We now have the DJI Pocket 2. So hopefully my game will be stepped up. So anyways, with all of that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Samantha, do you want to kind of tell them everything they need to know about the channel and all that good stuff and what to do? Why don't you go ahead and do the cool little outro, and I'll add some cool vibes to it.
Well, thank you, Father. If you guys like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to his channel, and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified when he posts new videos on car detailing, videos, or whatever that is. And we'll see you next time.
See you guys.
Peace.